Okay, so today I am going to show you how to make this super cute mini loopy bow. It only really works in this size in 2 layers, like 3 like the original version. And like I said, just look how pretty it is. Like I said, I've got 2 different types of ribbon there. It's got like the lovely little silver edged there, and they're just so cute. Okay, so I've already started prepping the ribbon just so it's a bit quicker for you, but it is quite simple to do. So I'm going to show you on the original pieces, and I'm going to tell you the sizes in centimetres, but I'll put inches in the description as well. So you'll need 4 pieces of ribbon, and you want 2 times 24 centimetres and 2 times 21 centimetres, and you will also need a bit of 9mm in the same colour or contrasting colour to middle and centre your bow. Okay, and I've also got the clip to attach the bow to once we've done. And like I said, I've already done this piece, pinned and everything ready to go. So I'll show you on this because it's exactly the same process in both. And you fold both pieces in half, crease your middle, and also fold both your ends in half and lightly crease there because that's where we're going to do all of our pin marks. Don't forget to heat seal everything. And again, same with this one, fold in half, heat seal, crease both your ends, and then what I do is you take your longer length for the bottom, and then your shorter length on top, directly like so, and pin that dead centre over your crease marks. And then what you do, using your marks, you slide that ribbon up so the middles are aligned, and then you can pin there like so. Same the other end, pull it up until it aligns with the centre of the other one, and pin. And then obviously you repeat, so you've got 2 pieces that look exactly like this with the loops from the original piece. Okay, now there's another trick I'm going to show you to make sure your bows always line up perfectly. What you do is overlap one way like so, and pin dead centre between your original pins. Okay, like that. And then what we're going to do with this one, we've just gone that way on that piece, we're now going to go this way on the second piece, because this will help the 2 pieces line up nicely and sit better than if you did both the same way. So like I said, as you can see, in that way, and you've got your 3 pins lining up everything perfectly. So that's your front shape, and that's the back. Okay, so using this centre pin, you bring that directly up to that middle pin for alignment. Okay, and then you can take that base pin out and pin through. Okay, and then what I do with these pins is pop that a bit further up to hold that in place, that a bit further up to hold that in place, and it'll also be really helpful with your stitches. So that is the shape you've got at the front, that is your back, and we're going to repeat the step on this one. So use that centre pin, bring that right to match that centre pin there, take that bottom one out, right through all your layers, watch you don't stab yourself when you're doing this, and then I move that pin just to there. Need some new dress pins, I think these are getting a bit blunt in places. And there you go, you've got your second shape there, and that's the front, and that is the back. And again, show you, that's what it looks like front with your pins. Okay, so we're going to use the pins as guides for our stitches as well. I'll show you how to do that. So, from where your ribbon joins here, from above, 1, under your pin, 2, under your pin, 3. Okay, and you get out 3 perfectly even centre creases, and this will help your bow. Again, it's all about getting it nicely aligned and having your bow sit nicely. Okay, and repeat the other side. From above, directly where that ribbon meets the top layer, 1, 2, 3. Okay, take your pins out, got your 3 even creases again, and you can see it coming together like so. So pull really tightly. Make sure you are using upholstery thread or extra strength thread, otherwise your cinches won't work, your thread will keep snapping repeatedly. I stitch through like so. Pull that nice and tight and stitch off in the back once. One, 2, look how cute the shape is. Okay, and then from beneath, I always like to do just one stitch of that middle bump and then back through the other side like so, just so your middle doesn't pull apart when you're putting your centre on. Then one last back stitch, okay, and there you go, you got your perfect loopy mini bow. Now on mine I have got back bows on this one, and I've got a 2 loop pinwheel there, and I've got a 3 loop pinwheel here, but it is optional, you don't have to do that, but I will put the sizes for that and spikes below. Or you can just add your clip in your middle, any embellishments if you want any, and you've got a really simple, really cute little okay. Just heat seal a 9mm, drop a glue there, open your clip, and round your middle once, 1, 2, over there, cut off any excess. I do have a scrap box that all of these little bits go in rather than the bin. Don't like to waste ribbon. Okay, hold that for a second. Give it a fluff back up. like I said, do a little bit of holly for Christmas. So, that might be a bit big, but I'll just show you. Got Christmas unicorn resin. Add a bit of sparkle, whatever looks good for you, but like I said, it still looks super cute just completely by itself. Thank you for watching. Leave me any comments if you need any more help. I have got the bigger version of this, like I said, 3-layer in the 4cm 1.5 inch ribbon. I also have a Facebook group under the same name, and I'm always happy to help if you need anything else explaining or any other tips, and I do picture tutorials as well. And do like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button so you see when I put more videos out. Okay, thank you, bye.